Welcome to Access Insights.
We're in our 16th year of hosting this event. We have 28 key sessions.
We have some amazing thought leadership.
We've got some great hot topics.
And some incredible panels. Let's have some fun.
Every year, I think the conference has gotten better and better. The commercialization topics, there's more interesting things to dive into. The content is very diverse and everyone can learn something from at least one of the presentations.
We believe that speaking is an audience-centered sport, so it's not about what we want to say, it's about what they want to hear, and what we have to say is definitely worth hearing. If this conference feels different to you this year, it should. You're going to see a next level of innovation and quality. This is an amazing time if you're looking for opportunity. It can be very disruptive, but it all depends on how you want to play it.
Pharma companies are becoming more matrix, and so you need to understand what your colleague's doing, and this is a place that you can learn a lot of it end-to-end in 2.5 days.
The rate at which adoption is happening with generative AI is truly remarkable and something that none of us can safely ignore when thinking about how our styles of working are going to change, how our business operations are going to change. And at the end of the day, most of what AI is here to solve is the rote, the boring, and the cumbersome to enable us to spend time thinking, to enable us to spend time providing insight, becoming proactive, and ultimately stewarding our businesses better.
The networking at this year's conference has been incredible. The dinner last night was so fun. We met a lot of colleagues across different organizations, from large to small pharmaceutical manufacturers.
We're thrilled to have such a rich set of sponsors here representing the ecosystem of service providers that help pharma to commercialize their drugs, and an incredible cross-section of stakeholders in the pharma commercialization model. We have folks from finance, market access leaders, trade leaders, data and analytics leaders, and innovators. We have IT teams here trying to understand how the technology and data aspects of commercialization overall and gross to net in particular are changing and moving.
It's hard to explain the vibe here, but it's kind of electric. There's lots of subject matter experts and lots of technology and things happening.
But it's nice you see people that you haven't seen for 10 years, 15 years, or 2 years. It's really nice reconnecting here. And it's small enough conference that it still feels very intimate. The breakout sessions touched on so many different aspects of different commercialization techniques and strategies. And I think each of the speakers is incredibly knowledgeable. Every session that I attended, I learned something new that I can bring forward to my manufacturer clients.
I think it's important for clients to be, because first of all, they'll see what great business we were able to build, helping pharma to achieve their goals. But also it's a great opportunity to see the people in person.
Access Insights has become the must-go-to event of the year. The content, the panelists, the speakers, the technology, everything here is really top-notch.
This is the only conference where you actually get into all of the details of how the inner guts of the industry works. The ones that are here will be more effective in their job starting on Thursday when the conference ends.
If you are finding yourself answering questions or being asked questions that are at that intersection of commercial strategy and net revenue profitability, this is the place to be. You're going to come and you're going to get insight that you will bring into your decisioning that you're executing as a leader in your business.
This year's conference was incredible. The depth and breadth of topics covered is unmatched in any other conference that I have attended. And we hope to see you next year at the 2026 Access Insights.